be able to utilize my phone while I'm riding. I've got my Sena Bluetooth on my helmet, but also be able to see if I'm getting a call or change podcasts or radio stations or whatever it might be. You need to come up with something to mount the phone that is accessible and out of the way. This is the area that I've got to work with, and what I was looking to do, I've already got my Bluetooth amplifier set up in the center, so I couldn't do a stem mount type style in the middle. I also didn't want to have anything over on this side because I wanted to be able to keep my throttle hand on. So over here I wanted to have something, and this isn't a round bar, so you can't use those regular round clamps, but I wanted to try and incorporate something, and it was mostly stock looking. So I was thinking taking this piece off, putting a ball mount on it, and then mounting the mount off of that. So it took a while to look for things. What I found is an actual round mount that is for a round bar that has very close hole spacing. I'll need to enlarge the holes a little bit for these bolts to come off, so I'll be able to replace this cap piece that holds on the clutch, and then I can hopefully put this on there and it'll look very stock, and then I'll have my ram mount. So then I'm just a short extension piece, and then this is the phone mount that I ended up going with. It is a smaller than 1-inch ball in the back, so I had to get an adapter. This is actually my wife's right now for her cake stuff, but I'll get one of these, and that way everything will connect from the case holder to the ball stem. And then this is my mount. My phone will be able to just slip in from the top, and it's just got like a little lever to tighten it. That way on the bottom I can still access the charging ports, headphone, speaker, and then the buttons on the phone that are up on the right side will still work. So that'll end up holding this somewhere in this position over here in relation to the bike. So let's work on getting the holes on this modified. So what I have to do here is enlarge the shoulder of that hole here, because the hole is offset a little bit towards the center. So I needed to enlong it to the center, and then, like I said, build up a new shoulder for that bolt to sit in. So that's what I'm doing now. One more to go. So both of them are in, shouldered, spacing's right, so we're going to go test it on the bike. Now this part's no longer returnable, but it fits. and it works for the hand grip spacing, but the tube diameter is a little bit large. You can see it's a little bit big, but it comes with these little inserts, so that way it'll make it the same. So now I can go ahead and install that. Being one-handed, I had to set this up already, but here we go. Let's go ahead and tighten it. Alright, I think it's working. There we have it installed. Everything's secure. We can go ahead and put the rest of our mount on. Alright, fairly factory looking install, and with the thumb screw I'll be able to take this off and transfer it to my other bike as well. Goldwing is out, mount is done. Let's go ahead and take a look at how it comes up. Get on the bike and see what it looks like while we're on. This is going to be my view. So right here, adjustable locks on the side to keep it secure, but can spout. And then my connections are on the bottom of the phone, so that makes it easy to connect my charger here on the bottom. Goes over into my drawer where my charging port is. So this is what we're looking at. Good positioning, nice and steady. One thing I did add is there's a little old Sharpie pen bottom, and my stylus goes in there for using the screen. Since my gloves don't have the function to be able to maneuver the screen, but that's how it looks. Success.